Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So we are back here and again at the road to test our knee, our left knee. Kung masakit pa rin ba kapag tumatakbo na tayo. So 1 week ako nagpahinga. So today balik-balik tayo sa mga easy runs para i-test yung tuhod natin. So nagdagdag na tayo ng strength training para sa conditioning ng ating legs. Kasi may upcoming race pa ako, March 7, which is the Pinoy Fitness Sub 1 10 kilometers. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na tong pag-heal ng ITB ko, ITBS. So yan, easy run lang para di tayo mabigla. So current pace ko is 7:13, 7 minutes. So pwede na yun. And pinapakiramdaman ko talaga yung tuhod ko kung sasakit. Kung sasakit siya today sa run, tigil ko muna yung run, mag-walk na lang ako. So tara, run safe sa inyo guys. And let's be healthy, be wealthy, stay active and always run for your life. Let's go guys. First kilometer, 7 minutes 40 seconds. And goods pa naman yung ating tuhod. Kaya atuloy lang natin. Second kilometer, 7 minutes 34 seconds. Third kilometer guys, 7 minutes 45 seconds. Fourth kilometer and last kilometer, 8 minutes 9 seconds. Overall run, wala, hindi naman nasakit yung tuhod ko. Hindi naman nabigla rin. And yun na lang for now. Para at least makarecover pa rin. Hindi ko muna siya bibiglain. So gradually tayo mag-increase ng mileage and ng speed. Para bumalik yung dating lakas natin. Siyempre samahan na natin ng strength training para maiwasan and hindi na natin ma-experience ma-injury ulit. So yun lang. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. Peace and run safe palagi guys.